I'm Anna. I am a first-year radiology resident in Minneapolis, and I got a score of 275 in step 2.
My score was 260.
So I got a pass on my first trial.
I got a 254 in my step 2.
And for step 2, I got 257.
I recently matched in Philadelphia.
I actually give AMBOSS the credit for that pass.
I feel like I discovered AMBOSS pretty early in my journey. In fact, my whole of step 1 was completely just AMBOSS.
I did use AMBOSS for all steps.
I only used AMBOSS.
Used it for my step 1, for my step 2, and now I'm using it for my step 3. And I plan to use it for my residency.
My seniors actually suggested that I should stick to one resource, and I thought that AMBOSS is the one for me.
I needed a reliable resource, and AMBOSS had just shown that it was a good resource for me, and I just put my faith into AMBOSS. I really didn't use any other resources.
No other question banks, nothing at all.
I've used AMBOSS for both step 1 and step 2 examinations. I use AMBOSS as my only reference for the step 1.
And I used the whole QBank and also the study plan for the USMLE step 1, also for the USMLE step 2.
When I started preparation, I used 3 QBanks, wanted to see which one was working better for me. And after a few weeks, I chose AMBOSS. What made me choose AMBOSS the most was that I was actually seeing my progress.
The key to passing any step exam is to know how the NBME likes to ask questions.
And when you do NBMEs, it shows you your weak topics.
You know your weak points. AMBOSS gave me the resources, the lectures, the articles to improve it in a really fast way.
I started doing NBMEs, and I saw how similar those questions were with the QBank I used, which was the AMBOSS.
The amazing thing that AMBOSS has is it has very specific explanations for each incorrect answer, and each incorrect answer really helps you rule out why it's not correct. That's why I felt that AMBOSS was very close to what the NBME actually wants you to know.
My medical school is not taught in English, so I need to learn almost all the vocabularies from scratch.
When IMGs are preparing for USMLE, we don't have this dedicated period of time that, oh, now you're free from university, you can use this time solely for USMLE. We need to manage our university duties and rotations.
Whenever we had a specific lecture on a certain topic, I would just go back home right after class, just search it up on AMBOSS and see what is actually offered on that topic.
I would study something for my med school for like my clinical rotation, but I would also have the key exam features on, so the highlighter, to see what would be super relevant for step 2. So that was really nice. And most of the time I saw that there was an overlap with what I must know for the steps with what I must know for uni. So that was very helpful.
I was also working at the same time. I was a full-time physician in a rural healthcare center. So I used to see a lot of what I'm studying, which really helped me. I remember I saw a very rare case of neurofibromatosis when I was in like this rural center in the middle of a village in India. Reading the AMBOSS article and going through all the questions that come, it makes you remember every single detail because you've actually seen that patient.
And the highlighted material also helped me a lot.
You can use it if you're a pre-med or even if you're a practicing physician.
One feature that I really liked about it was that they had a AMBOSS library that was coherent with the question bank. So as soon as I do a question, they always had those hyperlinks below the questions, which mentioned that, okay, this is where you can read more about it.
So I started the simpler questions, the 1 hammer, 2 hammer, 3 hammers, and I was achieving more and more and more, and I was building more knowledge using the library until I built enough confidence to tackle the most difficult questions, the 5 hammers questions.
The one place where I would say that AMBOSS really shined was when I went for my rotations in the United States.
Super helpful while I was doing my med school and my rotations.
This person's coming in with hypertension, the blood pressure is 180, 190. What do I use first? Those kind of questions is something that AMBOSS really answers well.
I had AMBOSS on my phone. I could quickly get answers.
Having that information beforehand helped me make less mistakes in real life.
And I think AMBOSS is the tool that will be with you forever. as long as you're in this field, because it makes you a better doctor.
There is nothing that comes even close to AMBOSS.
In my opinion, one of the best apps that are available now.
Dive into it and use it, because if you don't do it, I think you will miss one of the greatest friends you're going to have throughout your life.
To be honest, I see why everyone talks about AMBOSS. AMBOSS is really worth the hype.